Now, unfortunately, there is death and devastation that has taken place all over Wayanad. Over 300 people have died in landslides. It's been 4 days and rescue operations are still on. Rescuers at the moment are searching for survivors who may be trapped under the debris. But the hope is now fading. Sagai Raj, Shibi Mol and Akshita Nandgopal report from the landslides epicenter. Take a look.
Kerala's worst tragedy ever. Bodies after bodies pile up in Wayanad. Death toll in the tragedy has climbed over 300. And hope of any more survivors is fading with every passing minute.
The biggest challenge for authorities has been in handling all of the bodies, 300 and counting, that continue to come in here into hospitals in Mepadi town. And it is here that the bodies are brought. First, there's an identification process which we'll run you through. But there's also the challenge of sanitization, of ensuring that no disease is spread, because you've got a whole number of relatives who gather here. Today, for example, an announcement was just made on the speaker that 5 bodies have been recovered, and the 5 bodies will be brought here. First, they're cleaned up, then kept here for identification for just about 20 minutes. And then there's a whole other process that's followed.
The beauty and calm of Kerala was shattered when landslides struck Mepadi, Mundakai, Churalmala, Attamala and Nulpoda hamlets early Tuesday morning. Rescuers are racing against time to search for survivors who still may be trapped in collapsed buildings and under the debris.
Today, after the Bailey Bridge construction is over, it's been, compared to the last few days, it's become a little more easier, since there's movement of vehicle, there's movement of big excavators, as well as machinery and equipment. So the main task here is right now removing the debris and, trying to recover as many bodies as possible, because in these areas, there's very less possibility that, there will be anybody still remaining alive, because the rescue operations are not likely to end very, very soon. It's going to take a little more time, considering that there's many houses, an entire town in this area that's got washed away.
The Indian Army completed the construction of a Bailey Bridge in record 31 hours. The Army built the 190 feet Bailey Bridge to restore the connectivity between Churalmala and Mundakai, the 2 villages in Wayanad ravaged by multiple landslides. The catastrophic landslides